Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a screen timeout on your Stream Deck. So in order to do it, in the Stream Deck app, go to the settings icon, then go to devices and find sleep after. By default it's set to never, but you can set it to a certain timeout time, like let's say 30 minutes. You can also set your custom screensaver here. So if you select an image from file, you can find different just whatever you wish to find on your computer. So if you have any pictures, like I don't have anything important or interesting here, but you can see that can be set. It's quite a weird image to set, but you can set it and it'll be displayed once your display is off on the Stream Deck. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.